Okay, I want to make a ramp for handicap access, and I've only got 2 steps here. So what I've got here is a 2x12, and that'd be enough for me because I've only got, like I say, the 2 steps. This is an 8-foot 2x12, so I think that'll be enough. But I'm going to mark off the step profile, and it's close enough to the top there. And I'm going to put 1-inch boards on the top anyway, so that'll give it about where I want it to go. So I'm going to mark it off, and I'll be back. Okay, I've marked it off, and now I'll go cut it. Now, if your steps are higher than 2 steps, you're going to have to add legs to it. But this is for your top step. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece out, and then I'm going to rip it all the way to the end there. I'm going to use a circular saw. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece out, and then I'm going to rip it all the way to the end there. I'm going to use a circular saw. Okay, so here are the 3 risers. Now I'm going to have to, normally you build over concrete. I just got dirt here, and then there's even a brick under one of them. So I'm going to put cross braces on it, and then I'm going to add feet to it, so compensate for the different terrain under each one. I did do some shovel work, but it's still not as even as you want. So, but I think I can compensate for it with some strategically placed legs or shims. Okay, I've temporarily braced them. I'm going to turn it over and screw some permanent cedar feet to it. I'll be back. Okay, so I put 3 cedar cross braces on just because I had some cedar lying around. I'm going to take the top temporary braces off and put some planks across. Okay, so I nailed 1x6 braces on it for subflooring, just because that's what I had lying around. And I nailed them in. First I drilled holes so I don't split the wood. Okay, so I put a skin over the supports, and this is what it looks like. It's plywood, and then I built a simple handrail. It's been in use for a few months now, and it's working just fine. I'm going to paint it with a wood preservative. I didn't use treated lumber. I just used what I had.